I have always been a deal hunter, and I have a massive fear of missing out on the best deals every Black Friday. So in this video, I'm going to tell you the best deals in outdoor cooking for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and beyond, so you can know that you're getting the best deal with your outdoor cooking budget in 2025. I'm David, and this is the Barbecue Lab. If you're new here, we review the outdoor cooking world to help you make the best purchase for your backyard. We've divided this video into chapters so you can find the brands you're looking for and skip around if there's something that you're looking for specifically. We will have all the links and discount codes down in the description, so let's get started. The vacuum sealer that we use at home is the VAC 100 from JVR, and with our discount code, you can get it for $799. But for Black Friday, they're bundling the VAC 100 with 100 vacuum seal bags, a quart of vac oil, a cover, a vac lock canister, and a tumbler for your coffee. There's a bundle as well for the VAC 110, which is more on the commercial side of things if that's what you're after as well. The sale is on now and it runs through December 5th, so the time is now if a chamber sealer is on your list this year. Thermoworks has some great sales starting on November 20th and running through December 3rd. You can get the industry standard Thermopen 1 for $69, the best price of the year, a classic Thermopen for $59, the new Sizzle instant read thermometer for $47, or an RFX starter kit for $118. If you're into griddles or pizza ovens, their infrared gun is 50% off Black Friday through Cyber Monday. Now, if barbecue is your thing, the 4-channel Signals is $90 off starting Wednesday, November 26th. And that gives you a 4-channel Wi-Fi thermometer with graphing in the cloud. It's how we do most of our testing here at the Barbecue Lab, and it's awesome to have at home when you're smoking meat. Whether you're looking to add to your thermometer arsenal or get started with your first Thermoworks product, the sale is live now, and the prices are the best of the entire year. Breeo is offering 15% off everything site-wide now through December 2nd. Notable sales are $100 off the X24, their 24-inch smokeless fire pit. $165 off the Live Fire Grill, which lives on our patio. We love it so much. And $75 off their Y-Series portable smokeless fire pit. There's larger and smaller sizes available, and they're all 15% off. So if Breeo is on your list, the sale is live right now. Grilla Grills have sales going on, but their deepest discounts start on Monday, November 24th. Their biggest deal is 50% off the new Silverback 2.0 pellet grill in all versions. The regular cart, all-terrain cart, and the outdoor kitchen built-in module are all 50% off, so that's 1,600 square inches of pellet grill at the best price we've ever seen. Their Primate gas grill and griddle combo unit is 35% off, which brings this all-in-one under $850, which is a steal in my opinion for a grill that also comes as a full griddle in the box. You can get a Mammoth vertical smoker with 120 pounds of free pellets for under $800. You can get their 16-inch wood pellet-fired pizza oven called the Pyro. It's under $500, and also their entire modular outdoor kitchen is 30% off for Black Friday. All of these sales start on the 24th, and once inventory is gone, it's gone. So hit those links below on the 24th to see the best pricing of the year. If charcoal is your preferred cooking method, Hasty Bake's Black Friday sale is live. You can get the Legacy 131 crank-up grill for $200 off, or the Roughneck drum style smoker for $150 off, both of which are great charcoal grills. If you missed the sale, you can use the code BBQLab10 to save 10% on your order, but these prices are a little better than our discount code, so it's a great time to buy. If you're looking for something from Solo Stove, November 24th is their start date for their 20% off sale on almost everything on their site. If you're looking for the Steelfire griddle, which has always done well in our tests, or the new Summit 24 smokeless fire pit, or other fire pits like the Bonfire or Yukon or even the new Infinity Flame, it's 20% off almost everything starting on Monday the 24th. Remember, you can use the code BBQ Lab Holiday 20 to save $20 additional on your order as well, and it's just for viewers of the Barbecue Lab. If you like working with meat, making your own sausage and processing game, Meat Your Maker has a great sale this Black Friday. You can get the 1 horsepower grinder under $450, 1.5 horsepower dual grind grinder under $600. And if you're after an external vacuum sealer, we really like the Meat External, and you can get it in 100 bags for just over $250. So if you have a Food Saver style vacuum sealer on your list, do yourself a favor and just get this one. It's way better and it will last longer. We also use meat lugs here at the lab all the time, and they start at just over $10 for Black Friday. Meat mixers start at $140, and there are 7 Black Friday bundles that go live on the 24th where you can save more and bundle items together. Links are below, and it's their best prices of the year by far. If you're in the market for a kettle or Kamado grill, the Spider Grill Huntsman performed very well in our kettle roundup this year, and the Huntsman bundle is over $200 off right now through Cyber Monday. This discount is live, so if a Huntsman is on your list, there are a limited number before they run out, and this sale is as good as it gets. If you don't want the bundle and just want the Huntsman, that is $100 off right now as well. The grill gun and the sous vide gun from GrillBlazer are both 45% off plus free shipping right now, so there's no need to wait for a better sale that just isn't coming. This is a deep discount from the norm, and it's my favorite way to light fires here around the lab. That puts either version less than $125, and I know that you'd be happy with one of these if you like charcoal, wood for offsets, or fire pits in the backyard. Weber Grills is offering their Searwood or Smoke Pellet Grills for $100 off with free shipping right to your door. The sale is live right now, and the links are down in the description for you. You can also get full-size griddle inserts for your Weber gas grill for 20% off. If you're looking for cookware this holiday season, HexClad's Black Friday sale is offering up to 52% off. The hybrid pots and pans set is $400 off, and that's what we use every day at home for the family. 3 pots and 3 fry pans with lids for the best price of the year. You can save $200 on the 3 fry pan set or save $88 on the 3 pot set if you don't need both. Now, if cast iron is your cookware of choice, we love our Smithey Ironware pieces that we use here at the lab. We have more coming to the channel soon on these, but if you're looking for heirloom cast iron sanded to a smooth surface, unlike any cast iron I had ever used before, you can get a free number 10 chef skillet with any order over $450 with free US shipping and a free accessory when you buy cookware. This sale starts on Wednesday the 26th and ends on Cyber Monday. Ooni Pizza Oven's Black Friday sale starts on the 20th at 9 a.m. Eastern, and you can get 20% off on almost everything. That means the Coda 16 is $130 off. The Karu 2 Pro is $170 off. The Coda 2 Max is $260 off. If you're in the market for an Ooni oven, 20% off starts right now and runs through December 2nd. If a Gozney outdoor oven is what you're after, their sale is live with $100 off most ovens on their site. Maybe you want the Gozney Arc XL, which we've tested extensively and has performed very well for 16-inch pizzas, or the Arc for 14-inch pizzas, both at $100 off. The classic rock box or the new portable tread are both $100 off as well, bringing either oven under the $400 price point. There's 20% off most accessories, so if you have the oven already, it's time to load the list with all the things you wish came with it. If you're looking to swing big this holiday, Fontana Pizza Ovens have 15% off all of their premium ovens starting on Tuesday, November 25th. That's up to $1,000 off, depending on how large of an oven you're considering for your outdoor space. If you want the absolute best deal, they're having a half-price doorbuster sale with only 10 ovens available on Black Friday and again on Cyber Monday. Black Friday is the Mario Pro oven and Cyber Monday is the Elysia model. You've got to be fast because when they're gone, they're gone. There's only 10 available. If you watched our recent video on the Elysia Outdoor Kitchen using the augmented reality design tool, that entire kitchen line is 20% off from the 25th through the 1st, and you also get free installation from TaskRabbit. If you're thinking about building an outdoor kitchen DIY, this Black Friday, you can buy a kitchen, get 20% off, and have TaskRabbit do the installation for you. If you haven't checked that out yet, I'll drop a link below where you can get hands-on with the build tool, but the discount goes away on the 1st, so time really is short. You'll rarely find me without a Yeti sitting on my desk, and if drinkware is on your list, you can get the Yeti 42-ounce Rambler for 30% off, and the sale is on right now. There's also sales on the 20 and 30-ounce travel mugs and 20% off the Big Sky Blue and Firefly Yellow collections. So Yeti's sale is live, and when they're gone, they're gone. Camp Chef's Black Friday sale is on now, and you can save $600 on a Woodwind Pro 36, which performed very well in our pellet grill roundup. If something smaller is a better fit, you can save on the Woodwind 24 as well. If it's a griddle you're after, the Gridiron 36 and the new Gridiron Pro are both on sale, with the Gridiron Pro being $300 off. The XXL vertical smoker is coming to the channel soon for a review, but it's also on Black Friday sale right now at $300 off. These prices are live and they end on Monday, December 1st. If you're up to trying something you probably haven't tried before with your pellet grill, pecan shell pellets from Smokin Pecan consistently give us more smoke and flavor than the run-of-the-mill pellets we pick up at our local membership club. You can save 10% on your pellet order with the code BBQLAB and tuck some pecan pellets away for yourself, or give a box or two away this holiday season, introducing something new to everyday backyard barbecue. If you're looking for a griddle that's outdoor kitchen grade, we love our LeGriddle 30-inch that we built into our kitchen at home. The 30-inch ranch hand is $250 off right now. The 41-inch Big Texan is $350 off, and the 60-inch Grand Texan is $500 off this holiday season, and the sale is live. Be sure to use the code BBQLAB for a special surprise at checkout. Now, if you haven't subscribed to our email list yet, now is the time. We have the Barbecue Lab Black Friday Amazon guide coming in about a week, and that's coming straight to our email subscribers. So don't miss out on the best outdoor cooking deals and make sure that you are on the list. I'm David from the Barbecue Lab. All of the links to the items in this video are below in the description, and you can always find discount codes and sales on our discounts and deals page over at thebarbecuelab.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you get the best deals this holiday season.